Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And yeah, we could see that Bitcoin has now come down to 41,945, 47, finding some support at the moment at this green resistance box right here. And yeah, definitely struggling to stay above it for the time being. Struggling to stay above these yellow lines right here. We have come and formed a little bit of temporary resistance. We can see we went past them last night, had a big wake up, and now we tried to fight them above, but now getting rejected once again and getting pushed down. You guys could probably see on the 1 hour we're forming a bit of a bullish divergence, but once again, these could not mean they don't really mean much if the price is just going to dump very quickly. As we can see right there, the beautiful bullish divergence on the 1 hour. You guys can probably make a little bit of a trade there, but I would definitely be careful because the traditional markets are still in a bit of a muck at the moment. We could see that we did short 38,800 right here on the Dow Jones, over 41% I believe in profit at the moment. Yeah, around 40% in profit on the Dow Jones on that trade, so really good, doing really well on that one. But obviously Bitcoin not doing too good at the moment. Had to close it at over 150% loss I believe on that trade, but that's okay because we always make it back. I'm not even worried about it. I don't really care because we always do make it back and we always use proper risk management. Except for that one, I had to do some live monitoring on it. I was actually expanding my risk tolerance on that trade, but that's okay. Anyways, we could see that right now we're getting a lot of manipulation X's, which is not good. You really don't want to see that. When you see those, usually out of a trade, and you just gotta close it and take the loss. And yeah, we definitely went down there. And I believe we were going to actually stop at 45, but we actually went below that and we went to 42, 41. And you never really know what's going to happen with these manipulation crosses. You always have to pay attention, and they are very dangerous when they appear, especially when you're in a downtrend with red money flow and the momentum waves expanding towards the downside. All things pointing towards the downwards. And Ethereum, we can see right here, also doing something similar, pushing downwards, but we don't see any manipulation X's. But you know, when Bitcoin goes down, everything starts to go down as well. As we can see, the crypto market cap is down as well. I believe right here, crypto market cap is down 3%. Now all the altcoins right here, you can see Atom 38, Solana, Doge, everything is selling off. Yeah, Ethereum down 4%, XRP, where is XRP? That right here, down 1.2%, down to 70, back down to 74 cents. We could go take a look at that there. Yeah, taking a big red candle right there. And let's go take a look at Ethereum, see if it's we have any other support levels coming here. We got 31.56 coming in. Could potentially maybe be a nice little bit of a long order right there, maybe a buy order. You could set it above here at 31.63, maybe 31.65. Could be a potential long coming in right there. And Bitcoin right now getting back into that green resistance box. And not something we really like to see. But we could take a look at the hash ribbons and look at the bullish scenario. It's technically still bullish. Looking at the hash ribbon, still looking good. Unless there is a capitulation, then yeah, I would start to probably close. Maybe we'll close that spot long. But for the time being, I don't even think I'll close this long. I think I'll just hold it. You know, this was a great reaccumulation phase. Back down to 41,855 now, and we want to take a look. Also, just want to say we have addressed the issue with the Discord with scammers entering. We've actually unfortunately now it's a closed community, and if you guys want to join the Discord, the only way that you can now is that if you pay. I never wanted to put the paywall up, and it's very small. It's like $5 a month, but it stops the scammers from joining, because we all know that scammers aren't really willing to pay to get into the Discord, and if they pay anyways, we're gonna kick them, and we keep the $5 and we're gonna put it into the giveaway fund. Also, by the way, all the funds that we're gonna raise from people joining the Discord, that's just going to go into the giveaway fund, which we are going to give away at 10,000 subscribers. So yeah, that's basically it. Just a quick note to let everybody know what we're gonna be doing. And yeah, we could see that right now, Bitcoin back down to these levels. They're getting a nice little touch point at 41.500, But yeah, our bullish case is not looking as great. But the thing is, on the daily time frame, seems to have bottomed out. But we always want to look at the larger time frames. And on the weekly time frame, we can see once we get below this 44 line, it's not going to be looking too good. But once we've gotten down to the 44 line, we have gotten a nice bounce there. But we did form this big bearish divergence here. It's not really nice to look at it from that chart right here. We could probably load this one right there. Yes, as we can see, Bitcoin did make a new all-time high, but not by much. And then we had a big bearish divergence on the weekly time frame. So that's why I'm not as bullish at the moment. And if we do come down, we could definitely come down by a significant amount. If we do start crashing, we're going to hit liquidation levels. And it also, like I said before, it really depends on what traditional markets are going to do. I shorted 36,800 on the Dow Jones, and I expect more downside to be coming in the short term at least, and possibly even the long term. I think the market is extremely overvalued, and it's not at all what it should be at. We could see that it's just endless monetary like money printing and low interest rate environment. And the second that the Fed says they're going to raise their rates sooner than expected, that means the party's over and everybody starts to panic and they're going to start selling. We could actually add this brush right here. It's because one of my favorite tools as well. We could draw, we're probably going to come back down to 35,900, maybe get a bounce from there, and then come back down maybe to some key support here at 33,800 before we start to find some support. Maybe we're going to get another rise up depending on market conditions, what's going to be happening. But if we do keep going down, then yeah, you guys can maybe expect some more downside. And if this happens in traditional markets, you can expect some very bad days for crypto and Bitcoin. Whoever bought the top, then it's not looking too good. If you got in early, then yeah, that's okay. As long as you took some profits along the way, it was never a mistake to take profits. Anyways, guys, hope you guys have a wonderful day. Make some really good trades. And if you want, you can join the Discord now. Lucky we have like 2,200 members that were able to get in for free before the scammers are starting to ruin everything. But now it's $5 a month. And if you guys want to join the Discord, see my trades, see my chart analysis, and see Daniel's analysis is really good on all the other coins too. $5, and it's gonna go to the party fund anyway. It's gonna not the party fund, the giveaway fund. Well, I guess you could say it's a party fund. Anyways, guys, talk to you guys later. Peace. If you haven't already, you guys can join bitcat.com, start trading for free there, get $150 in bonus and a 10% deposit bonus if you use my link. Peace.